Fireworks from the porch swing.
So slow.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Something's still knocking around in the leaves down here. It's bigger than a squirrel.
Look at that stuff falling down.
That is a big show.
Over there too. All along the horizon. Wow. You should see how it's lighting up behind the mountains over here. There. I guess I zoomed in so much I lost them. Here we go.
Too many trees.
That is amazing how that just keeps going and going and going.
I thought it was a finale already.
Oh no. Wait till you see the finale. That you'll want to tape.
Well, I'm taping now.
Oh.
I'm videotaping now. I started it up again because I thought it was the finale.
I would love to know where that's coming from.
We always wanted to know.
Oh my gosh, are we gonna? Oh, there's some behind the tree too. Oh, look at them all just in the mountains. That's cool.
Now this looks like it might be the finale. Just a steady stream.
Yeah. Oh, it just looks like a flashes of light in the video. Oh, look at them all just shooting up into the air. Wow. That is a steady stream. Oh, now there's so much smoke you can't see them.
You're right.
That's some still air. We can still hear them, but you can't see them anymore.
Sound travel.
That's crazy. Weird.
That is weird. I don't remember that.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, the sound kept traveling. That was amazing. I wonder if it was ricocheting off of the mountains too.
Look at the cloud of smoke.
Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of smoke. Oh my gosh, that was cool.
As good as usual.
Happy Independence Day. We're going to see a bunch more of these still on the horizon in all directions. Oh, that's awesome.